Hello everyone, Richa Gupta, your mentor, guide and coach of learning English grammar. Welcome to my channel. This is VR English classes and we are here to build your foundation in English grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest updates. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to this. Future perfect continuous tense. So first, when we use future perfect continuous tense, so it is used when the action will be going on with some point of time in the future. Okay, pay attention here. The action will be going on with some point of time in the future. It means the action will be in the progress for some time in the future. Okay, so as with present perfect continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense, in this tense also we put since and for. Let me show you. Here is since, you can see here exact time. We put since with exact time, for example 2007 January and Monday. Okay, and with period of time or duration of time we put for example 2 hours, 2 week and 2 months. Okay, you are getting my point. Now let's move on the second, how we use future perfect continuous tense or the rules of future perfect continuous tense. You can see here, look at this. With the first person of pronoun I or we put shall have been. Okay, shall have and been. The formula is subject shall have been, we first ing, object, since for and time. Okay, with the point of time or exact time we put since, and with period of time or duration of time we put for and then time. Okay, now let me explain you the example. You can see here, I shall have been reading my books for 4 hours. So we put shall have been with I, and then we first and ing, then object, then for, because 4 hours is the period of time, means duration of time. So we put for with 4 hours. Okay, second example, we shall have been living in Delhi since 1990. Okay, so we put shall have been with we, and then we first ing and then object and since, because 1990 is the exact time. Okay, now let's move on. Negative sentence, IV, same, shall have been, formula subject shall not have been, we first ing, object, since for and time, and we put not between shall and have, and then been, then we first ing, object and since for time. Okay, you can see here the example. Let me explain you. I shall not have been reading my book for 4 hours. So we put shall not have been with I, we put not between shall and have, then been and ing, we first ing, then object, and we put for with 4 hours, because 4 hours is the period of time. Next example, we shall not have been living in Delhi since 1990. Okay, so we put shall not have been, not between shall and have, and then be and we first ing, object and since, because 1990 is the exact time. Okay, now interrogative sentence, the same, I, we, shall have been. First formula is shall, subject, have, been, we first ing, object, since for time, and last question mark. second formula, question word, shall, subject, have, been, the first ing, object, since, for, and time, and question mark. Okay, you can see here the example. Shall I have been reading my books for 4 hours? Question mark. We put shall before the subject and have been and the first ing after the subject, and we put for as the other example because 4 hours is the period of time. Okay, and next example, why shall we not have been living in Delhi since 1990? So we put why and shall before the subject and not have been after the subject, and then we first ing, object, and since because 1990 is the exact time. Okay, so I think you are getting my point. And now let's move on. The second thing, second and third person of pronoun, and with every noun we put will, have, been. Okay, let me show you the formula. Subject, will, have, been, the first ing, object, since, for, time. Okay, so we put with these noun and pronoun will, have, been. Okay, now let me explain you the example. You will have been waiting for him for 2 hours. So we put will have been with you, and then we first ing, for him, object, and for before the time because 2 hours is the period or duration of time. Okay, now let's move on. Negative sentence. The same, he, she, it, you, they, any name. We put will have been, and then formula is subject, will not have been, the first ing, object, since, for, and time. So we put not between will and have, then been, the first ing, object, and since, for, and time. Let me explain you the example. You will not have been waiting for him for 2 hours. So we put will and then not and have been. So we put not between will and have. Okay, then we first ing, then object, and then for because 2 hours is the period of time. Okay, I hope you got it. Now let's move on. Interrogative sentence. The same, he, she, it, you, and any name or with every noun we use will have been. The first formula is will, subject, have been, the first ing, object, since, for, time, and question mark. Second formula is question word, will, subject, have been, the first ing, object, since, for, time, and question mark. Let me show you the example. This is the example you can see here. Why will you have been waiting for him for 4 hours? So we put will before the subject and have been after the subject, we first ing, object, and then for before the time. And then don't forget to put question mark. Okay, so this is all about future perfect continuous tense. I hope you may have understood it, but even then, if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. And for the previous tense, the link has been given down below in the description box. You can check out it from there. And if you like this, then click the button like, and thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it. Bye bye now.